Hi everyone, I'm actually making this video on the go for Jitendra Vaswani. And I'm giving him credit for this amazing work that he's doing, and I recommend him to be a speaker at whatever forum on digital marketing there is, because he is truly one of the only few bloggers who has successfully known how to monetize his blog over the last few years. Trends have changed, traffic comes and goes. To be able to be consistently able to monetize a blog is not something that everybody can claim to be doing successfully. Jitendra is obviously someone who is doing a great job. I love speaking with him at events. We've interviewed him for the Ask Avi Arya show as well. He comes with his real passion, which comes out of the hard work that he's put in without getting tired, because he's doing what he loves. What I liked about him was that at a young age that he's already willing to share all that knowledge with everybody else. He has got courses. I've taken his course, and I took it because I wanted to learn from his perspective. How did he monetize his blog? How is he helping people make money? What did he do? What were his challenges? So I took his course, and I I at this juncture in my life, when I'm uh, running the Ask Avi Arya show, I try not I try to go after investments in time where I get a good ROI. So therefore I would not like to spend time where I feel that I did not learn much or grow much. But so therefore this session that I had with Jitendra helped me a lot. I actually learned a lot, and therefore I have no qualms in making this video and sharing it with all of you to say, if you people want to take your blogging or your internet marketing experience to the next level, consult with him, reach out to him. He's very easy to meet, very friendly to meet. Reach out to him, and I'm sure you will find great value in what he's done and how he's helping people like yourselves by sharing his experience and helping you grow monetarily with measurable experiences. All the best, Jitendra, and all of you. Thank you very much for taking out this 2.5 minutes to watch my video, and I look forward to connecting with all of you very soon. Thanks a lot.